Hello YouTubers, Buckrun11 here. This is the finished block after it's been to the mill several times after I thought it was done. But it's all set up now, and it'll cut the brass so that after I run it through the sizer and everything, it'll need about, I think, 20 thousandths trimmed off of it, which is a good number. So far it seems like it looks like it's trimming really square, but I thought I'd show you how it works. The brass goes in there and snaps in place, and there is a little play in it, but it's pretty good. I put this little piece of PVC, it's 1.5 inches, 90 degree. I cut a hole in here so that sets in there and sets right on the edge of this, and underneath here I screwed the lid to a peanut jar or plastic peanut bottle to the bottom of there, cut a hole in the top of it, so now when I cut it off, they go right into the jar. The only other thing I might do is cut this little arm off back here, because you can see these little pieces of brass end up back there, then they'll fall in the hole where that goes down in, and it'll stop you from cutting it off. But that's how it works. Pretty slick, I think. Pretty quick. Put it in the vise here, and it's a nice solid deal. I made it a whole lot bigger than it was before. This tray actually hooks over the back of that to hold it in place. There it is. Thanks for watching.